To transfer money from State Bank of India to Bank of America, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the required information, including the recipient's name, account number, and Bank of America's SWIFT code, which is BOFAUS3N. You can initiate the transfer through State Bank of India's online banking platform or by visiting a branch. If using online banking, log into your account and navigate to the International Funds Transfer section. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, account number, and Bank of America's SWIFT code. You will also need to provide the reason for the transfer and the amount you wish to send. The transfer will be subject to State Bank of India's exchange rates and transfer fees, which will be deducted from the amount being sent. Alternatively, you can visit a State Bank of India branch and fill out a transfer request form. You will need to provide the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. The bank will then initiate the transfer on your behalf. It is essential to note that international transfers can take several days to complete, and the recipient may not receive the funds immediately. Additionally, you should be aware of any transfer limits and restrictions that may apply. To avoid any delays or issues, ensure that the recipient's details are accurate and up to date. You should also keep a record of the transfer, including the transaction reference number, as this may be required to track the status of the transfer. In terms of fees, State Bank of India charges a transfer fee, which varies depending on the amount being sent. Bank of America may also charge a receiving fee, which will be deducted from the amount received. To get the best exchange rate, it is recommended that you compare the rates offered by different banks and transfer services. Before initiating the transfer, you should also be aware of any additional fees that may be charged, such as correspondent bank fees. By following these steps and being aware of the requirements and fees involved, you can successfully transfer money from State Bank of India to Bank of America. It is always a good idea to check with both banks for the most up-to-date information and to confirm the details of the transfer before initiating it.